A very good afternoon to everyone. I hope all of you are safe and request all of you to please stay indoors as we fight this pandemic together. I am Vishal Gupta. I am the customer consultant for Elsevier, South Asia. First of all, I would like to thank Professor Kunnur and Dr. Shivram for giving us an opportunity to collaborate with LIS Academy. It is indeed our pleasure to be collaborating with an organization whose vision is to become the best, active and dynamic professional body for library professionals with essential knowledge, skills and values of librarianship using innovative and cutting-edge technology and by adopting best and fair practices along with innovative ideas. The current focus of LIS Academy is to reach the unreached, which resonates very well with Elsevier's mission statement of empowering knowledge. Elsevier is a global information analytics company specializing in science and health. And at Elsevier, we've partnered with the scholarly community for over 140 years to curate and verify knowledge. Now, as an information analytics company, we are committed to bring that rigor to a new generation of Elsevier platforms. We help institutions and professionals advance healthcare, open science, and improve performance for the benefit of humanity. Combining content with technology, supported by operational efficiency, we turn information into actionable knowledge. Elsevier remains committed to doing its part towards building a better future for research, health, and humanity. I once again thank LIS Academy for giving us this opportunity to collaborate with them and to help them in their mission of empowering librarians and library professionals across the country. Over to Dr. Kunnur.
Good afternoon to everyone. I am Professor Kunnur, President of LIS Academy. I welcome all of you to this mega webinar series organized by LIS Academy and NCSI Net Foundation in collaboration with Elsevier India. As we all know that entire world is witnessing a pandemic crisis and several lockdowns. In this situation, we felt it to make use of this idle time of the professionals and upgrade the skills of the young professionals and the LIS student community by enriching their technical and communication skills. These lectures will also benefit the working professionals to refresh their practical knowledge. We have tried to include resource persons from wide spectrum considering academia, industry and R&D organization of repute. I would like to make few announcements and clarifications here. Please do not confuse yourself with the Zoom webinar IDs. We have circulated 2 webinar IDs, one ID for all Saturdays and the other one ID for all Sundays. You can use the appropriate IDs every week. We will also keep you informed about the updates of the webinars and the resource persons every week. We have also decided to issue the e-certificates and they will be sent automatically to the registered email ID of all the participants who participate at least 18 lectures out of 24 scheduled. You all might be very keen to know about the LIS Academy and NCSI Net Foundation and their activities. We will be briefing you little by little before each of every week webinar series. With this brief note of the event, it is my privilege to